Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn poem The Height of the Ridiculous. Okay, yesterday we have seen means how the poet means if any person is in a wondrous mood or merry mood, and that person create a joke and someone means we were appreciate to them, and that person create a very good means joke in a generally means generally this person looking serious but that person create a very good jokes. Okay, and poet means that means how that poet servants create here a means joke. Okay, that poet going to explain here in this uh, poem. He took the paper and I watched and saw him peep within, and his servant means poet, he took means his servant, poet servant took the paper and I watch, and poet says that I watch. What poet watch? And saw him peep within, and poet watch here means uh, that saw him peep within. Peep within means what was written. Okay, what was written in this poem means I watch means poet done the action here to watch or to what was written. Okay, and peep is a here create the sound like a baby bird. Okay, peep within, it is a sound of make a sound of like a baby bird. And that person means that servant make the sound what was written, that after that while seen he make the sound like the baby bird. Okay, while laughing means while laughing make the sound of like a baby bird. At the first line he read, his face was all upon the green. And when he read the first line of this paper, that time his face was all upon the green. His face was all upon the green. Okay, means and started smiling. Means when he read the first line, he started smiling of opening. Okay, means opening only uh, lips means only lips are parted there. Okay, only the green means lips are parted was all upon the green, and his face was smiling only with the help of lip parted. Okay, he read the next, the green grew broad, and when he read the next line of this paper, that time the green grew broad, that smile grew broad. Means smile is first he opened lip means his lip was parted there, and when he read the second line, then his lip was wider there. Means okay, his lip is means his mouth is open for the uh, laughing. First smiling, then laughing. Means his lip become wider there. He read the next, the green grew broad, and when read and short from ear to ear. And after that, when he read the next line, that time he green and it is means his smiling grew near to ear. Okay, मतलब जनरली हम जब स्माइल करते हैं सिर्फ एक्सप्रेशन दिखते हैं स्माइल. देन इफ़ देर इज़ एनी जोक देन वी आर स्माइल, मतलब हमें जब वो जोक समझ में आता है तो हमारा लाफिंग थोड़ा बढ़ जाता है, और वो लाफिंग हम जब लाफिंग करते हैं तो ईयर टू ईयर मतलब इस कान से इस कान तक वो ऐसे स्माइलिंग मतलब फेस हमारा मुंह जब ओपन करते हैं, माउथ जब ओपन करते हैं तो ईयर टू ईयर होता है लाफिंग के लिए. He read the third, a chuckling noise I now began to hear. And when he read the next third line, that time means I heard the chuckling noise. Means poet says that he was started giggling. He make the giggling sound. Okay, like sound of a chicken cluck. Chuckling noise means like a sound of chicken cluck. Means while chicken जैसे आवाज़ करती हैं वैसे मतलब स्माइल लाफिंग करते समय उसका आवाज़ आ रहा था जब इसने थर्ड लाइन रीड की. नाउ आई बिगैन टू हियर, एंड पोएट सेज दैट नाउ आई बिगैन टू हियर दैट he read the fourth, he broke into a roar. And when he read the fourth line, he broke into a roar and started roaring with laughter. Means roaring like a lion. Okay, मतलब हंसते हंसते लायन जैसा आवाज़ निकालना. मतलब स्माइलिंग फ्रॉम फर्स्ट स्माइलिंग देन till fourth line he start like a roar laughing. Okay, started roaring with laughter. And then fifth, his waistband spilled, and while laughing his waistband was built encircling. Okay, he was encircling, and his shirt was divided into two part. Okay, his waistband was divided into two part. मीन्स जो शर्ट है वो उसके जो बटन है वो टूट मतलब ऐसे हंसते हंसते वो ये हो गए, डिवाइड हो गए. The sixth, he brushed 5 buttons, and when he read the sixth line, he brushed 5 buttons. What happened? He means that his button was 5 button was brushed there while laughing. Okay, मतलब हंसते हंसते उसके जो शर्ट के 5 बटन हैं वो टूट गए. And tumble in a fit, and he was tumble down. Means he was fall down. Tumble means fall down while laughing. Okay, the poet watch over the helpless man for here. Okay, helpless man for 10. Next, 10 days and nights with sleepless eye I watched that waste man. And poet said that the poet watched over the helpless man for without sleeping. Okay, 10 days and 10 night without sleeping, 10 days and 10 night. These lines also 10 days and night with sleepless eye means that sleepless eye. Okay, without sleeping means that figure of speech is transfer epithet, sleepless eye. I watch that rest man. And poet says that I watch that rest man. Rest means, see meaning is given, a helpless condition. This poet says that I watched that man for next 10 days and night. That man was in a helpless condition. Okay, and since I never dare to write, and from these days poet never dare to write as funny as I can. From this day poet never dare to write any funny expression, any humorous lines. Okay, of any humorous line means poet anything which are create the humorous expression. From that day poet never dare to write the humorous way of his writing. Poet never use the means never dare to write the humorous expression. Okay, means poet was slender, and that servant was with a strong and muscles. And poet thought that he would die because of the while laughing. इतना वो लाभ कर रहा था while reading, तो ऐसे लग रहा था वो मर जाएगा क्या, हंसते हंसते वो मर जाता है क्या. समझ में आया. मतलब इट्स अ वेरी ridiculous poem, it's a very humorous poem, and poet means that only create the funny expression. And means really means poem written this poet written this poem for the for only enjoyment, simply enjoyment of the audience. Okay, it's the means poem written for enjoyment. Poem is a humorous poem. Poet use here plenty or lot of funny expression for the simply entertain to the audience. It's the theme of the poem. Okay, like this way this poem finish. You have to write these questions in your workbook. Okay, and write the appreciation of the poem in your notebook, and this figure of speech question in your notebook. Okay, like this way our poem finished. Thank you.